इज़ वेलकम यू ऑल इन माय चैनल स्टडी हार्स। और आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे ब्लैक होल्स के बारे में। तो पहले मैं ब्लैक होल्स के बारे में शॉर्ट बता देता हूँ, उसके बाद हम लोग डीपली उसको पढ़ेंगे। तो व्हाट इज़ ब्लैक होल? ब्लैक होल इज़ अ बॉडी वेयर gravitational force is so high that escape velocity becomes equal to velocity of light. Even the light cannot pass through it. In this way, the body becomes invisible and it is known as black hole. In the star, nuclear fusion takes place. In this process, the hydrogen is converted into helium. The pressure on a star balances the gravitational force at attraction. When hydrogen fuel is consumed, then it starts contracting and finally it contracts up to a radius. ये हम लोग पढ़े शॉर्ट में ब्लैक होल को। अब देखते हैं ब्लैक होल एक बॉडी होता है जहाँ पे ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है और ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स सो हाई, जबकि उसका जो वेलोसिटी होता है, एस्केप वेलोसिटी होता है, वो लाइट के वेलोसिटी के इक्वल हो जाता है। उसमें से लाइट भी पास नहीं कर सकती है। इस वजह से जो लाइट पास नहीं करती, इन दिस वे द बॉडी बिकम इनविजिबल। इस वजह से जो बॉडी है वो इनविजिबल हो जाती है और उसको हम ब्लैक होल के नाम से जानते हैं। Carl Schwarzschild's work. In 1916, Schwarzschild read Einstein's paper on general relativity. He was interested in the physics of stars and had a lot of spare time between battles on the Russian front. So he solved Einstein's field equation for the region outside a massive spherical object. His solution had many interesting features, including prediction of space wrapping in strong gravity and invention of embedding diagram to visualize it. Second point, verification gravitational time dilation just as Einstein had pictured it. Third point, prediction of black hole through this was not recognized at that time. Schwarzschild solution, देखते हैं यहाँ पे पिक्चर दिख रहा है। डिस्क्राइब द स्पेस टाइम कर्वेचर नियर अ मैसिव स्फेरिकल सिमेट्रिक बॉडी। सॉल्यूशन ओनली डिपेंड ऑन BH मास। फिजिक्स स्पेस सरकमफ्रेंस फोटॉन 15%, सरकमफ्रेंस 2x होगा, फोटॉन 41, सरकमफ्रेंस ये सब फोटॉन रेड शिफ्टेड। इनमें कर्व स्पेसेस रूल्स ऑफ ज्योमेट्री डिफरेंट देन यूक्लिडियन, जैसा कि हम पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं। यहाँ देखते हैं सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट्स इन फ्लैट स्पेस। तो इन फ्लैट स्पेस द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन एनी टू सर्कमफ्रेंस सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट। सेकेंड पिक्चर हम देखेंगे सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट इन स्पेस wrapped by a black hole, same circumference as before. In the curved space around a BH, the distance between any two circumferences is greater than 1. One way to visualize wrapped space, hyperspace. To connect these circles with segment of these too long length, one can be considered them to be offset from one another along some imaginary dimensions that is perpendicular to x and y, but it is not z. If it were z, the circle would not appear to lie in a plane. Such additional dimension called hyperspace. Prediction of the Schwarzschild solution. For an object of a given mass, the space-time curvature increases as its size decreases. Physical space, circumference 4x, photon 15%, circumference 2x, photon 41%, circumference critical, फोटॉन को redshifted. As the radius of object becomes smaller than a critical value, the space-time curvature becomes infinite. Just look at the picture, you will clearly understand. What characteristics in a black hole? Presence of a surface called event horizon from which nothing, not even light, can escape. The radius of this surface is called the Schwarzschild's rule. Schwarz's radius, gravitational constant, speed of light. Rs is equals to 2 gm upon c square is equals to 3 bracket m by m sun kilometer. Black holes. To a stationary observer far away, time is dilated near a black hole, and at the critical surface at Rs, it is slowed down infinity. Light emitted close to the critical surface is severely redshifted, the frequency is lower, and the critical surface of the redshift is infinite. Time dilation near a black hole. Here m is equals to 6m sun. Mass. M is the present mass. Time is wrapped in strong gravity. On time unchanged, very slightly, factor of 1.0000002 slower, so very slow. That is 9 into 10 power 6 kilometer. Other effect of space-time curvature, weight and tides. The tides are for a 170 centimeter person lying along the direction toward the black hole. Orbit, look at the picture, weight, tidal force, orbit circumference in event horizon circumference. How weight and tide depend upon black hole mass. For comparison, the weight and tidal force you are feeling right now are respectively 1 gram and 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 gram. Look at the first picture, weight in earth, tidal force 170 centimeter person in earth, gs, black hole mass in mo. The danger of getting too close to a small black hole. A body would be stretched along the direction toward the black hole and squeezed in the perpendicular direction. This effect is clearly known as spaghettification. Light close to a black hole. Look at the picture, you will clearly understand. So in the vicinity of a black hole, light is severely deflected. The amount of deflection becomes larger closer to the black hole. When the distance is d is equals to 1.5 rs, the light goes around in a circular orbit. A light is emitted tangentially to the horizon at a distance greater than 1.5 rs would be captured. In order to escape, it would have to be emitted at an angle which is greater than 180 degree. As the radius is decreased from 1.5 rs to rs, the range of the angle from which light can escape decrease to become 0 degree at the horizon, at which point light can no longer escape. An observer at d is equals to 1.5 rs would be able to see the back of her head. Shape and time are stuck at black hole horizons. Time is stuck at the event horizons. From the viewpoint of a distance observer, time appears to stop there. Infinite gravitational time dilation. Space is stuck at the event horizon. Within r is equals to 1.5 rs, all geodesics, path of light or freely falling masses terminate at the horizon. Because the orbital speed is equals to the speed of light, r is equals to 1.5 rs, nothing can be in orbit. Space and time are stuck at black hole horizons continue. Thus, from near to the horizon, the sky appears to be compressed into a small range of angle directly overhead. The range of angle is smaller the closer one is to horizon and vanishes at the horizon, the object in the sky appear bluer than their natural color as well because of the gravitational Doppler shift. Thus, space itself is stuck to the horizon since one end of each geodesy is there. If the horizons were to move or rotate, the end of the geodesy would move or rotate with it. Black hole can drag space and time around. Thank you. This is the total theory of black hole. In next video we will learn about solar charger, or I will tell you about how to calculate how to determine unit and dimension, how to find out unit and dimension. Thank you. Have a good day.